Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to install CapCut on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Play Store. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on search right here. Go ahead and click on search app and game and type in CapCut. Hit enter. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then here you go. As at the time of making this video, 1 billion plus download and use this app. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and hit on install. After a successful install, go ahead and click on open. Click on agree and continue. Now you are done successful. Click on allow right here. Go ahead and click on skip right here. Now you are done successful install CapCut on your Android phone. If you click on edit tab right here, it will take you to edit options. Free Pro for 30 days. Claim it on desktop. Go ahead and click on that to close that tab. You are here. This is your edit tab, your template tab, your inbox tab, and then your profile tab right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.